Today we are going to compare two phones that are from the same company but are wildly different. Today we're going to be comparing Samsung Galaxy devices. Right here is the A03s and right here is the 22 Plus as I accidentally touched that widget. The Samsung Galaxy A03s is a good phone for talking, texting, doing a couple other things other than watching videos and playing video games. This device is pretty darn bad in a lot of ways because of, well, the really high bezel, the really crappy camera, and the really crappy board in here that is definitely not going to be playing any games like Neverness to Everness. You can still play a lot of mobile games that do not require a lot of RAM usage or basically a lot of power from a device, so as long as you're okay with playing games like this and a couple other games that don't require a lot of power, then you're going to be fine with getting this device. But when it comes to, well, let's just say the camera, well, that's another story. This device does have a 13 megapixel rear camera, and that's pretty darn amazing for a very budget device. The other cameras in the back side of the camera are real, but I mean you're never going to use them anyway, so let's talk about the selfie camera. It's 5 megapixels. It will get the job done, but it's not that good. This device only has one speaker, it has a headphone jack, and it's USB Type-C charging, and I believe it does not have fast charging in the normal sense. It does have 15 watts of charging, and that's fast to a lot of people, but it doesn't have anything like 20 or 30 watt fast charging. It does have an amazing 5,000 milliamp battery though, so that's pretty good. The Samsung Galaxy 22 Plus is just better in every single way possible. It has a way better screen. I didn't even talk about it with the A03s, but the A03s has a ridiculous bezel, and this has like basically a non-existent bezel comparatively. It also has a 50 megapixel main rear camera, and it has a good enough chipset to play a lot of powerful games. You would have to lower the settings a tiny bit, but you can play games like Neverness to Everness on this device. And trust me, you can't play Neverness to Everness on the A03s. This device supports 8K. Now it's only on 24 frames per second, but it does have 4K at 60 frames per second, and that's crazy. Compared to full HD or HD at 30 frames per second, so I mean like, yeah. This device does only have 4,500 milliamps of battery, 500 less than the A03s, but this does support 45 watt fast charging, which is really good for a phone that is very affordable. And we're going to get to prices very soon, but there are a few things I want to talk about this device that is not entirely the best. The Samsung A03s has expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. The Samsung Galaxy 22 Plus does not have, which is kind of saddening, but in most cases, you're not really going to be using anything more than the standard 32 gigabytes of storage this device comes with. But I mean, I don't know, maybe if you play a lot of video games, like a lot of mobile games, and you definitely just need more storage for them, then yes, having that option for expandable storage is very good. The 22 Plus comes with 128 gigabytes though, so I mean, if you really do need the extra storage, there is cloud storage options available, or you can get an attachment that connects to your charging port and get a USB and offload a lot of the information onto the USB. The 22 Plus is a smaller device compared to the A03s, but the A03s has that ginormous bezel I was talking about. So if you really look at it, this one probably is bigger in screen size. The Samsung A03s is way better in terms of pricing when it comes to affordability, when you can even get a locked refurbished device for around $50. But I mean, if you really think about it, the Samsung Galaxy 22 Plus is double the amount of the A03s, but it's definitely the way better phone in every aspect. So even though you have to spend more, I will obviously say the 22 Plus is very superior. I did not talk about anything whenever it comes to software updates because both of these devices have reached their limits whenever it comes to their software updates. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. But other than that, goodbye.